Welcome to the next era of visual editing, where you control videos and images with nothing more than your voice. With models like Kling O1, Nano Banana, Qwen Image Edit, and modern text to video systems, editing has become fully conversational. Instead of searching through tools and menus, you simply describe what you want, and the AI transforms your content while preserving the original motion and structure. Imagine watching your clip and saying, change the liquid in this video to milk. Now switch it to beer. Now make it ice water. Or pointing to your actor and saying, change this man's outfit from a polo to a full suit. The system instantly understands your intent and rebuilds the visuals with natural, realistic consistency. And the same voice control works for images too. You can say, replace the background with downtown Tokyo. Make her jacket leather instead of denim. Turn this daytime photo into a nighttime city street. Models like Nano Banana and Qwen Edit apply these changes with remarkable detail and accuracy. When you combine voice commands with a multimodal editing engine like Kling O1, something powerful happens. Editing becomes intuitive, creation becomes effortless, and anyone, regardless of skill level, can transform a scene with a single spoken instruction. This is the future of content creation, where your ideas move at the speed of your voice and AI brings every vision to life.